Good morning, students. Today, I will cover a topic of extension teaching method. First, definition of extension teaching method. Extension teaching method means tools and techniques which are used by the extension worker to communicate with the rural people. These are classified on the basis of according to use. In this method, extension worker contacting people either individually or in a group or in a masses. First method is individual contact method. In an individual contact method, extension worker contact rural people individually either on a phone calls or a personal calls or by sending personal letters. They contact with the rural people by office calls, telephone calls, and personal letters. Next is group contact method. Under this method, a extension worker contact with a group of a person which consists of 20 to 25 person. And in this method, extension worker contact by a people by a face-to-face interaction. And under this, they provide information about the new variety and about the new technology. Under this, there is a method demonstration and result demonstration, national demonstration leader training meeting, conferences and discussion meetings, and field trips. In a group contact method, they can contact via method demonstration and result demonstration, national demonstration, conferences and discussion meeting, and field trips with the group of a people. Next is mass or community contact method. Under this method, when extension worker deal with a large number of people, then they use mass or community contact method. And in a mass or community contact, bulletin, leaflets, radio, television, and exhibitions are used to contact with a large number of people for the dissemination of information about the new technology, about the new technique. Next is individual contact method. It is a face-to-face interaction with the farmer by the extension worker, and extension worker visit farmer home as well as their farm. Next is objectives of individual contact method. First of all, its main objective is extension worker get first-hand information. Moreover, they also solve out the problem of the farmers, and they also arouse the interest of the farmers, and they also select leaders to demonstrate about the new technology to the rural people. Next is procedure or principle to be followed. First of all, extension worker decide the location, means on which farm they have to visit, and they prefer that farm in which they never visit. And secondly, they clarify the purpose of the visit. And next objective is they plan the visit so that they can avoid the wastage of a time of the farmer as well as the extension worker. Then they review the contact with the members of a family. Then they take out leaflets or bulletins so that provide information to the rural people. Then they should work out the schedule so that they can save the time of themselves or the farmers. Then they prefer to unfrequented farmers so that they can provide information to all the people. Next, they should be punctual. Next, they should be friendly, sympathetic, and speak only in a simple language so that they can easily understand, and talk in terms of their interest, and speak slowly and use easy language. Next is field trial. Field trial means the extension worker visit the farm for the field trial. The objectives of the field trials are test the performance of a new practice avoid the possible losses to the farmers. And third one is build the confidence of the extension worker and the farmer. Next method is method demonstration. Method, its name indicate that it shows the technique of doing things and carry out new practices. For instance, if a new technology is launched, then extension worker required to inform about the new technology to the rural people so that they can easily understand the method of that usage. Next method is result demonstration. Result demonstration means provide advantages of the recommended practices to the rural people so that they can adopt these new techniques on their farms, and it helps the farmer to learn by seeing and doing. And by this they can, if they adopt a new technology and their yield on a farm increase. Next method is a group discussion. In a group discussion, there is a group of 20 to 25%, and in a group and in a large number, extension worker cannot contacted with each member, but with the group discussion they can easily contact with the person and they can hear their problems and give solution to them. Next is a campaign. For instance, there is a vaccination of a COVID-19 and it is a campaign in India. So campaign means campaign is used to focus the attention of a people on a particular problem. For example, vaccination and prevention of animal diseases. Next is print media. Newspaper, magazines, bulletins, leaflets, folders, pamphlets are included in the printed media. These are used to cover a large number of people for the dissemination of information. Next is television. It is a audio visual. It has an audio visual impact on a rural people. For instance, Jalandhar Doordarshan television telecast a program on a farming in which agriculturist, scientist or expert hear the problem of the farmer and they give solution to them. In this way, television cover a large number of people. Next is a leaflet. Leaflet is a single sheet of paper which is used for disseminating the information, and these leaflet are in a simple language so that all the people can easily understand them. Next is folder. Folder is also a single piece of paper, but it is folded once or twice and material is present in it a sequence. Next is a pamphlet. Pamphlet is an unbound single sheet and on which printing is done on the both sides and in printing done in a colors with action photographs so that it can provide information to the people. For instance, there is a pamphlet along with the box of insecticide or pesticide, and there is instructions on a pamphlet with the photograph so that people can easily understand. Next is bulletin. Bulletin is around of 20 pages, which has main objective that it provide complete information to the readers. Next is booklet. In a booklet, there is a more than 20 pages and less than 50 pages. In a bullet, there is a difference between booklet and bulletin. In a bulletin, there are around 20 pages, but in a booklet, there are more than 20 or less than 50 pages. Next is exhibition. For instance, KVK organized Kisan Mela, and in which various firms or companies display the information about the specimen, and they provide information through the models, posters, photographs, and charts in a logical sequence so that they can arouse the interest of the people by displaying them. It is one of the best media for reaching large number of people, especially who are illiterate or semi-illiterate, because in exhibition they provide systematic information about a particular specimen, and through the exhibition, illiterate people can easily understand about the new technology and the new crop variety. So this is about the extension teaching method. Student, have you any query about this?